Hey guys, this is Will from Urban Outdoors DMV. We got a special edition today. We're going to play with our Silverado.
Did you hear that? That's smoked.
Stock exhaust.
Stock exhaust is for suckers and chumps.
Stock exhaust is for suckers and chumps.
That.
We're going to put that Flowmaster Outlaw on, coming soon. Alright guys, so we made it to Pennsylvania to my dad's shop. We're going to put on a new Flowmaster Outlaw exhaust. And since we don't have a lift, we're going to kind of do it the simpler way by using jack stands. Now because we don't have the lift, we're going to have to cut the exhaust in half to take it down. But the first thing you should always do when you buy a kit off the internet is always check to see if it's the right thing and then lay it out to make sure you're not missing anything. 2014, 2019 GM Silverado Sierra 1500, 5.3, crew cab, 4-wheel drive, and double cab 2-wheel 4-wheel drive. So directions that came with the kit are correct. Okay, so we laid everything out. I'm not going to know exactly where it goes where until I look at the directions and I have everything apart, but you can already kind of tell that this is definitely a straight pipe because it's got a flex pipe. So that's from the cat forward. These two are the back end. Those are the mufflers, of course. It's not the mufflers. Those are for the tips, and that's the actual muffler. So everything else we're going to have to feel out, see where it goes, these different bends and stuff like that. That's where the directions with a kit like this will actually really help you. So different clamps laid out. This is a hanger. Oh, it's a rubber piece for a hanger. This is an actual hanger itself. It's for the opposite side where there is no muffler before there's no pipe because it's a single straight exhaust. This Outlaw splits to a dual exhaust. So there's an extra hanger. Alright, well guys, once you've got your truck up on the jacks, we've already done. Next step is gonna go and see all the places where it has to come apart. Like this is the first part's gotta come apart. And you hit it with some PB Blaster, like we already did. That's going to hopefully help that come apart. And if it doesn't come apart, we're going to have to use heat, which we're prepared for, but most people don't have that kind of stuff in their house. So I'm lucky my dad's got a full shop. He's got everything but a lift. So if we need to heat up the bolts to pull stuff off, we can. So hopefully it won't come to that.
Nope. Not gonna move.
There you go.
Do the same thing to the other side and you can take the muffler out.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. Now we got to get these rubber pieces out of here.
Serious. I'm having a good time. I never get to do stuff like this.
Okay, there we go.
I don't ever get to do stuff like this
Okay,
anymore.
now we got to drop that one. We can drop the whole thing.
What about that? You want to take that one off too? That side. Or is it already out? Oh, no, that's not how you pull it up.
Is take and clean this up on the wire wheel.
So what was the purpose of cleaning out the inside?
Just to get the rust off of it.
Is it an OCD thing, or does it help it seal better?
OCD thing.
Okay. I just want to make sure. Alright, so we're doing this so it seals better, hypothetically, but realistically it shouldn't matter. But we're doing it just to be thorough. That's the way my dad is.
Is the brush up or down? Flowmaster up or down?
Should be down.
Okay. Shouldn't there be something to hang this?
Yeah, what'd you just spray?
The hangers, but where's the piece for here?
I don't know, maybe it's on the other two. Maybe it's on the other two pipes that come
You
out.
gotta get them then.
Okay. Shit.
Give me a clamp.
Looks like we got enough swing room over here.
I don't want to tighten this end up until we position everything.
Mm-hmm.
What you have to do, not like this. Where's the other clamp? You know,
It's on there already.
what you have to do is line them up. They got to be straight across the back.
Oh.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't think we missed anything. If we did, we'll look over the system one more time. Just light it up. I want to see what it sounds like. Oh, yeah. Let's hear a roar.
Ready?
Yep. Alright, shut her down.
Big thanks to my dad who let me come up here and use the shop and actually did the majority of the work. They helped the expertise with the saline torch and everything. I'm so grateful. My dad can pretty much fix everything. I'm trying to convince him to have his own YouTube channel, call it Dan the Fix It Man or something.
There's already, Diagnosed Dan is already out there.
Well, hey, there's always room for one more YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.